Are you tired of settling for mediocre frothed milk in your homemade coffee? Enter the Maestri House Milk Frother, a revolutionary appliance that's not just a frother, it's a game changer in the world of coffee enthusiasts. Let's explore why this innovative frother deserves a spot in your kitchen. Here's why you need it. Take control of your coffee experience, enjoy unmatched froth customization, and elevate your at-home barista game with the Maestri House Milk Frother. Your daily coffee just got an upgrade. Unmatched temperature and froth control. The Maestri House Milk Frother takes the lead with its groundbreaking features, variable temperature settings and different froth thickness options. Choose from 4 temperature settings and 3 froth thickness levels. This level of control empowers you to tailor your coffee experience to perfection, ensuring each cup is crafted to your unique taste preferences. Generous 21-ounce capacity for all your frothy needs. Say goodbye to limitations. With an extra-large 21-ounce jug capacity, Maestri House's frother outshines its competitors. Whether you're frothing milk for multiple drinks or heating a large batch, this frother can handle it. Froth up to 10.1 ounces, create hot chocolate with 17 ounces, or simply heat 21 ounces of milk for various beverage options. Intuitive touch button control for effortless operation. Experience the ease of use with Maestri House's touch control panel. Illuminated with 6 settings, including cold froth, cold airy froth, hot airy froth, hot milk, or hot chocolate, this frother simplifies your coffee making process. Elevate your latte or cappuccino game with professional-grade froth at the touch of a button. Sleek and high-end design for coffee connoisseurs. Top off your coffee or chocolate beverages with the sophistication of Maestri House's Milk Frother. Its stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, while the user-friendly nature ensures that crafting your favorite drinks is a breeze. This frother is a must-have for anyone serious about their coffee experience. Effortless cleanup for your convenience. Enjoy the convenience of effortless cleanup. The scratch-resistant, durable 304 stainless steel pitcher is dishwasher safe, making post-coffee cleanup a breeze. The proper jug spout design prevents splashing, and the frother comes with a fine sponge brush for added convenience, ensuring the milk jug is spotless without any effort on your part. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover why the Maestri House Milk Frother is a must-have for every coffee connoisseur. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.